Okay, welcome to Bank Nifty analysis, daily analysis. So as I said yesterday, right, as we predicted, VIX is pretty low, 10.2. So the Bank Nifty expiry would have been sideways. There would not be any volatile. So initially for 30 half an hour, it just went down, came up. And throughout the day, it was hanging around 48,200, 150 to 250 was hanging around. So what I did is it was never a bias market, right? So what I did is 48,200 I shorted call and 48,000 put I shorted. I could have shorted 48,100 put. So let me show you the return. This is the return, right? With almost 1.8 lakhs, I earned 3,800 and that too. I shorted two lots of call and one lot of put. I could have shorted more. I was supposed to go out, so I didn't did that. So the short both sides. You have seen the VIX. It'll never go anywhere. Enjoy a ride, have lunch. You know, give time to your family. This is how trading should be. Trading should be boring. Trading should be like easy money, right? So I would request everyone to do that. Okay. So let's draw the 10 line. So if you come here, this is minor trend line. So this is taking a support. So 48,900 to 48,000 is has slowly started taking a stronger support, and 48,200, 300 till 500 is becoming a stronger resistance. That's how the market behaves. Till the VIX is low, it will just open up, gap down, and then it will revolve around the same. Enjoy the ride, short at both ends, enjoy the ride. Tomorrow you can't short at both ends because tomorrow is the first day after Bank Nifty expiry. But again, tomorrow is Nifty expiry, so you can enjoy. 22,400 is Nifty, so 22,500 we can short, 22,300 we can short, and again enjoy the ride. Okay, that's it from today. Take care, guys. Have a nice day ahead. Then take care. Bye.